Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to reactivate a restricted Instagram ad account. So if your Instagram ad account has been restricted and you want to reactivate it because you want to use it for promotion or maybe you want to run your business through it, then I'll show you the easiest way for it. So first you have to make sure that you have the Instagram app and then simply open it up. Once the app gets open, you will be onto its home page. Now at the bottom we have five options. You have to go to this profile icon, and once you get there you will see the three lines on the top right corner. Click onto the three lines and then you will be into settings and activity. There you will find different options related to every other thing. So every option here has its own purpose that it performs. So from all these options we just have to simply go to the down of this page. So just simply keep scrolling to the down of this page and there you will see this option for help. Simply click onto it and then select the last option, which is support request, and after that select the third option, violations. So there you will see the violation through which you have been restricted. So along with that you will see the option for appeal. You can click onto this option. So appeal is just kind of a request where you request Instagram that they should reactivate your Instagram ad account. You can explain whole scenario. If you want to add the details there, you can also add it and you will send your appeal. Then Instagram team will review your appeal, and if they think they should get back your account, they will do it and you will get your back account. So that's how you can reactivate a restricted Instagram ad account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment if you have any queries. Feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you for watching the video.